Alright, so for the past 7.5 hours, I've been waiting for my package to arrive, but it's finally here. We got the Sigma 7200 millimeters from Adorama. This actually comes with a couple of goodies. I believe it comes with a tripod from Vanguard. I believe I never had one of their tripods, so we're gonna see how it is. And it comes with like a cleaning kit or something, which I have way too many of, but I keep losing them, so I don't mind getting more of them, honestly. So let's open this baby up. Oh boy. Should we get to the lens first? I don't know. I mean, that's why you guys clicked on this video, so. But you know what? I'm gonna tease it a little bit. Actually, I'm not gonna. Here's the lens. The Sigma 7200 F2.8. And let's see the other stuff we got. We also got some paperwork that you guys don't need to see. We got an Adorama cleaning wipe things. Cool. We got this is the tripod, which is the, what is this called? Okay, the Vanguard VEO 265 CB. So it's a carbon fiber traveling tripod, which I already have a traveling tripod, but whatever. It pretty much came free with the lens, so I don't mind it. And it also comes with an optics care cleaning kit, so just a cleaning kit, so that's cool. But let's open this puppy up. Alright, so let's open this up. And there we go. Let's see. I'm just gonna set up a monitor real quick. 1 second. Okay. Alright, we got the monitor set up. And when we open up this package, we get the instruction book that we definitely gotta read from cover to cover. Definitely need it. No pictures. We don't read it, guys. Come on. Put some pictures in there. Now let's see this puppy. And it comes with its these Sigma lenses usually come with these like cloth bags with them, which are nice, but I never use them because I just throw the lens on my bag. And oh my god, this is a big boy lens. Got the lens right here. Just put that to the side. And there's like a little box inside also. Let's see what's inside of that. So it comes with like a strap. What is this for? Because you don't put a strap on your lens. I mean, this is a pretty big lens, so maybe you do put a strap on it. But it comes with this like, it's like a little hook thing. Not sure what it is. Oh, I'm guessing it's for the bag. Yeah, it's for the bag, so you can put this on the side of the bag. If I can manage. Sorry guys, I forgot how to use my hands today. Carpal tunnel is a bitch. Here we go. So you get like a little handbag for your camera. And we're gonna be using this camera with the Sony a7R III and Canon 1D Mark II. So we're gonna be testing out multiple cameras, see how it is. So look out for those videos that are coming up in the future. So we get like I forget what these are called, but it's like tightening stuff. So I think you use these tightening screw things. What are they called? I don't know what they're called. I'm dumb. But I think this is used for the tripod screw on the lens. So let's actually open up the lens and see how it is. Okay. Wow, we got a lot of padding in there, which is good. I actually might use this, honestly. This is pretty nice. So we take this off. Yeah, this is a pretty sturdy. Oh man, look at that lens hood. Oh my god, my cats are freaking out. They're trying to go inside the bag. But this is a very sturdy box. It will definitely keep your lens safe. I don't know if I'll ever use it though, because I just throw these lenses on my bag. But oh my god. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh my god, look at this. Look at how beautiful this lens is. A lot of these like 7200 millimeter lenses are usually like the grayish color, which is cool because it kind of just like, it's kind of a cool look just to be like, oh yeah, I got a beautiful gray lens that I paid a lot of money for. But I like how the black one looks, to be honest, better. But the cool thing about this lens is that this 7200, it doesn't move, the camera doesn't extend or anything. It's all internal, unlike the new Canon one. But let me just grab a camera, just put this on. Also, just for comparison, here I got my Canon 1D with Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter. Now, if we put these lenses side by side, they're almost the same size. I think they're both also around 4 pounds, so they're both like similar lenses, even though one is like 150 to 600 and this one's 70-200. So I know just from using this lens, this is a very heavy lens that gets your arms tired, so I'm sure this is gonna do the same thing. But here, let's take this off, put it here for now. Here, I'll swap caps with them. And if I can get it, boom, there we go. Got the 7200, and let's put the hood on it also. It's a pretty badass looking hood. Oh my god, my cats are freaking out. Let's see, let's get this on there. Is that on there? I didn't hear a click, but I guess it's on there. And here we go. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. Here, let's put this in here. But here we go. We got the lens right here. And this lens does have image stabilization, which is really nice. From what I've seen, it goes up, it's supposed to give you up to 4 stops of stabilization, which is great because the Canon version of this lens, I believe it's the third version of the Canon lens, is like 3.5 stops, so the image stabilization on this one is actually better. But I'm very excited to use this lens. We're gonna do a lot of tests with it, especially with the Sony, because I have the Sony the MC11 adapter for it, and that's supposed to give this lens native performance on the Sony camera. So we're gonna be doing a lot of tests with that to see how it is, because there hasn't been that many videos on YouTube I've seen, so I want to test it out myself. Before we go, let me also just show you guys the side actually. Because on the side you can see there's a lot of switches for different focal lengths you want to use. These cats are freaking out. Focal lengths you want to use, if you want to turn the image stabilization on or off. And there's custom buttons. I'm not actually sure what they do. But there's also buttons on the lens itself that you can actually assign to like different things on the Sony bodies also. But that's gonna be it, guys. Before I go, also give a shout out to the Broke Boys Nation out there who watch these videos and they can't afford any of these lenses. And this lens is definitely gonna make me a broke boy because it cost I think it was $1,300 to buy it new. So it's a pretty expensive lens, but you know, the 7200 is one of those lenses that are gonna make you money. You know, if you're shooting weddings or portraits, this lens is used always. So I look at it as an investment. But again, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.